Whatever you want to do. If you got me walking around with Harley Quinn, this side red, this side black.
I did that before. It wasn't red though, it was blonde.
So I'm Maya, and I'm going to be doing knotless box braids on somebody's head for the first time.
On somebody's.
Yeah,
it's not a mannequin, somebody.
Somebody's head for the first time. And I don't really know how this is gonna go, but we're gonna figure it out.
You're gonna be cute. I don't know, I worry. You're gonna be cute. Testimonial right now.
My 13-year-old is doing box braids for the first time on someone's head. That's not a trial mannequin. And we gotta work on this part because it's not the best. Hi. Yeah, if you hold the comb closer to the tip and slow down, you can get the part in there good. See, like that's good. Now, finish parting it around the other side. Then you use the jam to come back and straighten it out. But move slower.
No.
If you move slower, you're gonna get it straight. Yada, 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 yada.
Oh God, Mom.
Let's clean this part up. Let's get it crisp. This is about to be boot camp for real. So who next? Which one of my students coming in here next for me to harass them on somebody's head? If you soft, don't come, because I'm gonna nag about every little tiny thing. Now look how straight, girl, look how straight that part is, girl. Now you go to the other side, you go down the other way. I'm not trying to bring it all the way over like a rainbow. Okay, I think we got the first row in there. Like the ponytail the rest of the hair out the way. Usually I say part all the rows across the back. That way you know you end up with them even. But we're just gonna go ahead with this first row. Okay, we got the first row parted out and clipped off. So we're about to get ready to do these medium knotless box braids. You nervous? No, what you doing?
Mom, why would you do that? I don't want to do it.
I'm just
Like that just ruined my whole mood. Jesus Christ. And you scratched me.
I'm sorry. I was just playing.
Oh, don't do that.
Come on, man. Come on. Loosen up. You're too tense right now.
Funny.
It's a braid.
It's
We
not
ain't
funny.
tattooing. We ain't doing surgery. None of that. If you mess up, you can take it down and do it over.
Almost had a heart attack.
If you mess up, you can take it down and do it over. You too stressed. Yes, put the
was
jam
not
on
funny.
there. Comb it through smooth.
Not even.
When you and your niece almost died because your mama played too much.
Oh, not because I fight too much.
Yes.
My whole heart is like beating like this. Okay, we
Thought
good.
she was about to cut a chunk off and burn your neck.
I don't know what I thought. Because I'm like, there's nothing she could possibly do wrong.
She got her hair separated out. Some number 2 and 350. And we getting ready to do this first braid. Okay. Nice finger placement. Nice tight grip. Not too tight, but tight enough. One piece in there for the other. Okay. Somebody trying to get an A+. Why you reach under there to the butt?
I don't know.
Just want it to be black. I see you, little baby, looking at me, girl. I see you looking at me, girl. Yep, that was 2 pieces. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in our third. I can say, go to the row under it. I can't get it. We're gonna go to our third and final piece. She put color here on top, but she wanted to start with black, so she got to dig deep. We got the third piece in there. Don't forget, if you need to put some jam on your fingers while you're braiding down to smooth, blend her hair in with the braiding hair. That's what we gonna do. Yep, throw that right on there like that and just smooth it down. And sometimes you can take the comb, and once you put that jam on her hair to smooth it down, just take the comb and comb it in there a little bit. And now that your hands are down far enough though, you can flip your hands and braid down because it's gonna be easier. So put a little jam on there before you flip your hands down. I mean, flip your hands over. Flip your hands. Yeah. It's easier, more comfortable to braid down. There we go. Oh, girl, that braid looking perfect, Marissa. Ooh. Now, you just got to do this how many more times? A lot of more times.
Luckily, the back is shaved.
So get that hair. Try to tuck it in as much as you can.
That wasn't a very good job.
It was good. It's all right. You just got to put a little jam on there and you try to slick it to the back. I mean, tuck her hair to the back. Rub a little jam on there and tuck it back. Let me see if I can get a look. There we go.
Yeah, baby, no. Don't draw. Good job, Gina. Kelly, we don't draw on book.
We don't draw in the book.
No, you draw on coloring papers. You're right.
Okay, break it down. So break it down halfway and then you go to the next one. I guess I'll be a good Samaritan and come in and write them down. Just so you don't be here for 7-8 hours because it's your first head. It'll definitely take long.
You be nice.
You gotta get that haircut going in the back. And getting down to the end of this braid. But one piece look like it's smaller than the other. So
It
you
is.
know, if you got a piece that's smaller, you need to even it out.
No,
So
I
you gotta take some hair.
at that.
You gotta take some hair from the biggest piece, not.
I did. This is the biggest
Okay.
piece that I'm taking it
You
from.
take some hair from the biggest piece.
I suck at this.
You just gotta do it tighter.
I can't do that. I suck at that.
You can.
I can't.
If you stop saying you can't.
I can't.
If you tell yourself you can't, you most definitely can. So wait, put it back. Put your hand.
Babe,
Yeah,
I
just like
suck
that.
at that.
You just did it. Now just hold it tight.
Wait.
And finish braiding. You keep saying you can't, that's why you can't do it. And you just did it. You gotta be your own first biggest motivator. Cheer yourself on for anybody else. You cheer yourself down, other people don't do it. If you say, oh, this is ugly or something, people are probably gonna say, oh yeah, she right. That's ugly. It sucks. If you like, girl, this shit is the bomb, I slayed that braid. People are like, yep, that is kind of cute. She did that. You gonna tie it or braid it down?
I don't really know.
You're gonna tie it. Let's see what you get. It's up, wrong song.
Can't
Tie it
tie
now.
it.
Yes, you can. Stop saying
I
you
know you
can't,
said
and you be sitting right there doing it.
Yeah.
I
You
hate
did it
tying.
perfect on the first time. Pull it out tight
She loves
and pull it down. Slide it down with your fingers. Yep. She did it perfect on the first time. Watch them. I can't tie it. All right. There we go. Okay, so we got that first braid. And it's in there so good, y'all. Knotless. Knotless. The braid is pretty consistent going down till she gets about right here. So she did switch her pieces and make them even. So she tightened it up a little. You want to use a little bit more jam while you're braiding down. Cut down a little bit, but it's really not that frizzy. So it's not frizzy. So you did good. So let's see what this next braid about to be about. This is Twisted Pretty Academy. She's 13. She
not
she just
yet.
started learning. Oh,
Not yet.
she's 12. My bad. Damn.
You said 13 earlier.
I did.
Yeah.
She's 12.
Sorry.
I did say 13 earlier. I don't know why I
Almost
keep
so.
saying 13. 12. She's 12. She's about to go through this head of box braids. Oh, y'all loud. All kids on timeout. Oh no. All right, we got this 350 here. This little color here a little bit different to get in. You gotta tuck it in good so we don't see no color lumps and bumps. Black hides black, but we got some color here now, so don't mess up. You gotta get it right, get it tight. I was watching America's Got Talent the other night.
I see.
This was America's Got. This is my judging. I'm gonna be the
America's
old
Got
Simon in a minute.
Braiders. America's Got Braiders.
Yeah, that's gonna be my next show. America's Got Braiders. Braid Boot Camp Show. Who ready for a YouTube Braid Boot Camp Show?
Cool, that'd be cool.
That would be cool. I'm going straight Simon Amanda.
Oh, not Simon.
Tighten up, tighten up. No, hold that hair tighter. Hold it right. Tuck it in. Pull it out.
Mom,
Dip
I
it.
swear if you
Whip
do
it.
this,
Lay it down.
if you do this, you're gonna make absolutely no money because nobody's gonna want to be
Stop.
near you
Oh,
with that.
everybody's going to come. They're like, oh yeah,
Oh yeah,
she's
because they're
serious.
gonna be
She about to boot camp me straight to a boss braider.
Yeah, well, I'm not doing this because that is very stressful.
And
Stress is good.
No.
Prepares you for life.
I want to know why these things don't come with the remote control.
Oh, some of them do, but it be like the ugly ones.
Yeah, I need it to come with the because this
Yeah,
is
because
only 130.
I wanted to get the one with the remote control too, but they didn't want that one. The one I kept showing them that come with the remote, they didn't want it, so I just got them.
I think I'm just about to just be like, all right, we about to get like 130 right here and just get this. Does it just make more
What
sense?
you, Christmas shopping? That's the one that got, let me see. Let me see. Okay, wait, put the camera up. Wait, I can't see that. Wait, oh, elbow to the face. Be still for a second. Oh, we in there. That's a real Knotless Braid right there, y'all. Real Knotless Braid. Who next? Come take one of these classes. I do hands-on and virtual. Of course, hands-on is always better. I can torture you in person. But virtual gets the job done too. You just gotta listen, pay attention, pay very close attention.
What do
and
you
listen.
got? Little lady.
And she tucking, and she about to tuck these ends in because we don't want them fuzzy ends sticking out right. So get them fuzzy ends tucked in. You're really supposed to like push them to the back.
Yeah.
And then, you know, get them fuzzy ends tucked in. Yeah, it's like baby's day out in here today. So now that I showed y'all what this 12-year-old can do, we are going to let her go on and get down on the back and finish the back of his head. Okay, we see you trying to speed it up, girl. I see you trying to braid fast, braid down fast. And I don't even braid down like this, so I really teach people how to adapt to their way of braiding better. Sometimes I change it up if they just look uncomfortable, but she does good braid down this way, so no need to change it to the way that I braid down. She growling like that. Okay, so what you want to do is, oh yeah, you're doing it bricklayer part, because that makes the head look full. So when you part your pieces down, you want to part down in the middle of the braid up under it. But sometimes that leaves your end off, like this one way too big to be. So sometimes what I like to do is start in the middle and go out. So I'll start with the middle one when I do bricklayer part. So I'll go, hold on, so I'll start and do my first part like in the middle of there and then come outward on both sides. So we started in the middle with our part. So we started from the bottom, now we here. So we started in the middle. And we got 5 braids on the bottom row. So this row is gonna have 6 braids. So from our middle part, we need 3 even braids on each side. So that's gonna even it up. So start parting in the middle for your bricklayer and work outwards. Okay, so you got 3 on that side. And sometimes it might not be right directly in the middle. Depends on the head shape and size. But it's pretty even in bricklayer. Because you just want the braid to kind of flow in apart. That way the head looks more full because you're covering up the spaces. Okay, so she's still going strong. How you doing, Maya?
Good.
We are finally.
Finally.
How your brain feel?
I'm very tired, and bottom of my feet hurt. Took my shoes off.
How long did it take? I
About
lost
10 hours.
It took about 10 hours, but you get the satisfaction of saying you did it all by yourself with no help from Braider Mom. I did not braid down or tie a knot or anything.
It'll be faster the next time.
So,
Whenever next time.
what you say it was 11 hours? So would it be 10?
10. It's 10 hours.
That's
No,
fine.
it's
Then
10
the next
hours.
okay, then the next time it'll be 9, then 8, then 7, then 6. And they pretty long. We're about to dip it and be back.
Her edges are extreme. So I have finished many long hours later. And it came out nice for first time doing braids. Especially, well, on somebody else's head. Gave her some swirls. Slicked her edges all nice. And she was nice enough to do her makeup.
So I can go on date night now.
Well, you do you. And we're finally done, and they look so nice. Like I said, it'll be shorter for the next time, and I don't know when the next time will be, but hopefully it won't be too long, because this was kind of fun.
Look how clear it is on this side. Because you got the light. Right, I was gonna say you should just tell her to turn. No. Long hair, don't care. Knotless Box Braids, we in now. Oh, she fancy. Did you see that flip? I'm gonna have to slow-mo that one right here. Slow-mo the flip.